Take a deep breath for a moment. Close your eyes, if you can. Now imagine this. Two souls that, even while trying to distance themselves, continue to choose each other in silence, in every thought, in every dream, in every heartbeat. Today, the angels guided me to you because there's something you need to hear, something that could completely change how you view everything that's happening inside and around you. There is someone in your life who indeed tried to move on. They tried to distract themselves, to pretend that what they felt was just a moment. But no matter how hard they tried, something inside them always returned to you. A memory, a gesture of yours, a word spoken, or even the simple sound of your name echoing in some corner of their mind. The truth, dear soul, is that their heart never stopped choosing you. And today, the angels want to reveal why. This person feels a connection to you that goes beyond logic and reason. It's as if, despite everything life has placed between you, time, distance, misunderstandings, something deeper continues to pulse. The angels show that many times, they tried to suffocate this feeling. They thought they could get over it, that it was just a phase. But in the silence of the nights, when no one is watching, the name they whisper to themselves is still yours. And perhaps you've felt it too. That sensation that, even when communication stops, the connection persists. That, even when there's no news, there is still a presence. And do you know why? Because this presence is spiritual. Because this bond between you wasn't formed by chance, but was written in the stars long before your paths crossed in this life. The angels whisper that you have been the light on this person's path, even without realizing it. Your strength, your perspective on the world, your generosity. All of this has awakened something in her that was dormant. It's as if you've ignited a flame she didn't even know existed. And no matter how hard she has tried to extinguish it, that flame only grows. It only intensifies. Because you represent something she can't explain, but also can't ignore. And now, amid this internal struggle between reason and heart, she is beginning to realize that she is wasting time trying to escape the inevitable. The angels show her that the love she feels for you is different from anything she has ever experienced. It's more mature, more aware, more genuine. And that scares her. Because when something is real, it requires surrender. And for this person, surrendering has always been the biggest challenge. But here's the most important point the angels want you to understand. You don't need to chase after her. You don't need to prove anything. Just keep being yourself. Because it is your authenticity, your light, your truth that are making space in this person's heart. She is going through an emotional awakening process, and this process is bringing you further into the center of her life. Now take a moment to reflect. How many times have you felt that something was about to happen between you, but for some reason, it always seemed like a step, a word, or an action was missing? The angels explain, it was because it wasn't the right moment yet. But now, everything is changing. This person is starting to realize that the emptiness she feels is not about a lack of company. It's about your absence. It's your voice she wants to hear in difficult moments. It's with you that she imagines a lighter, more genuine life. It's your way of embracing, of smiling even with a broken heart, that inspires her. And maybe, even today, she has tried to hide this even from herself. Perhaps she has told others, and herself, that she has already forgotten, that she no longer feels anything. But the angels show something different. They reveal that when she is alone, it's you who invades her thoughts. It's your name she still mentally scribbles. It's your face that appears when she closes her eyes and thinks about what could have been, and what still might be. And here comes something very important. One of this person's biggest obstacles is the fear of unrequited feelings. The angels reveal that she hesitates, that she pulls back, that she stays silent, because she fears that you have already moved on. But what she still doesn't know is that, in some way, you've never stopped belonging to each other. That the connection between you doesn't break with time or distance. Dear soul, now is the time to prepare. Because this person is drawing closer. She is beginning to accept that what she feels is stronger than any excuse she has made until now. And soon, you will notice the signs. A lingering glance. An unexpected message. An unanticipated gesture. And when that happens, remember, it was your light that brought her back. It was the love you radiated, even from afar, that created the bridge for this reconnection. And if something inside you is vibrating right now, if your heart is beating faster as you read this, know that it's not a coincidence. It's confirmation. The angels are telling you, you have been chosen. Not by chance, not for convenience, but because you are the only one capable of touching this soul in the way she needs to be touched. Now, if these words resonated with you, if you felt as if they were speaking directly to your heart, write in the comments, "I received this truth with love." This is your sign to the universe. It's your response to the angels. And it's also your first step toward what has always been rightfully yours, a love that, even when it tried to leave, never stopped choosing you. The angels continue to whisper, bringing an even deeper insight into what is about to happen. They show that this person is entering a phase of spiritual clarity, as if suddenly, all the doubts that once confused them are beginning to dissipate. The heart, previously stifled by fear and uncertainties, starts to find its voice. A voice that firmly says, you need to come back. You need to be honest. You need to live this love. And this clarity does not come without reason. It is the result of an intense internal process, where this person has been confronted with what truly matters. Recent situations have made them realize that time does not wait, and that continuing to deny what they feel for you is like living only half a life. And those who have tasted true love know that living half-heartedly becomes unbearable. You have become, for them, a mirror, a reflection of what they want most, but also of what they fear the most. Because loving you requires them to face their own shadows. It demands that they shed the patterns they have always used as shields. And that's why they have stepped back so many times. Not for lack of feeling, but out of excessive fear. Fear of not measuring up, of not knowing how to reciprocate, of failing. But the angels reveal, this fear is transforming. It is giving way to courage, to the desire to take risks, to allow themselves to live something they have always wanted, but never had the courage to claim. And you are the center of this transformation. The inspiration behind this new phase they are entering. At this moment, the angels ask you to keep your heart open, but also strong. Because soon, this person may return with words you've waited a long time to hear. Words that once seemed impossible. Confessions that will deeply move you. But remember, they are still human. They still carry scars. And will need your acceptance, your patience, your wisdom. So, don't expect perfection. Expect truth. Expect commitment. Expect the kind of love that grows with each sincere step, no matter how small it may be. Because the angels show that this person is not returning just out of nostalgia, but out of awareness. They now understand that the love they feel for you is a call from the soul, a call they can no longer ignore. They might not come with grand declarations, but with small gestures. They may not say everything at once, but will look at you with eyes that speak more than 1,000 words. And in those moments, you will recognize, yes, this connection is real. Yes, everything you felt was right. Yes, it was worth trusting. And if you felt that this message was meant for you, the angels ask that you write, I accept to live this love with courage. This simple phrase is a vibrational response, a permission you give to the universe to start moving the right pieces at the right time. Now the angels ask you for something even deeper, that you start from today to prepare yourself to receive. That you stop doubting your worth, your deservingness, your ability to be truly loved. Because this love that is returning will find in you a new woman. A more conscious woman, a whole woman, a stronger woman. And if you feel that this is the moment to start over, to live a new phase full of truth and intensity, I invite you to embark on this journey. Yes, I am speaking directly to you now, because there is something more that you need to experience. Something that goes beyond words and can only be accessed by those who are ready to dive into their own destiny with their soul's eyes wide open. If you feel that this message has touched your heart deeply, if you want to continue receiving revelations from the angels, If you wish to connect even more with this guiding and transformative energy, then sign up now. Do it for yourself. Because there are messages being prepared specifically for your energy, for this moment in your life. And it's no coincidence that you are here. It's because your spirit already knows that you are ready. As the angels continue to surround you with their light, something even deeper begins to emerge. They reveal that this love that chooses you, even from a distance, even in silence, is part of an ancient promise, something made between two souls that recognized each other long before this existence. It's not just a romantic connection, it's a reunion of lives, of stories that have intertwined many times before. This person feels it, even if they can't explain it. That's why, even when trying to move on, even while meeting other people, even while telling themselves that it's all in the past, their heart keeps returning to you. Because souls that have met before always find a way to reunite. The angels show that this relationship is unlike any other. It came to transform you, to heal you, to show you a type of love that is not based on games, but on truth. Not on possession, but on freedom. Not on demands, but on real connection. And that's exactly why, sometimes it hurts. Because it forces you to look within, to reevaluate your beliefs, to grow emotionally. And this pain, which you may have felt as nostalgia, rejection, or even abandonment, is about to transform. The angels say, that which seemed lost is merely being prepared. What seemed like the end is the beginning of something more solid, deeper, more conscious. This person is learning, albeit slowly, the value of having you in their life. And it's not just because they miss you, it's because they are beginning to understand that you are one of a kind. That your presence heals. That your way of loving is rare. And deep down, they know they won't find this in anyone else. Now, I want to invite you to make a choice. A vibrational choice. Are you willing to live this love, even knowing that it may require patience, commitment, and maturity? Are you ready to allow this connection to flourish, not in the ego's time, but in the soul's time? If your answer is yes, then declare it now. I choose to live this love with awareness and faith. This declaration holds power. It aligns you with the energy of the angels. It allows the universe to start acting in your favor. And know, when you declare something from the heart, the universe listens. The angels move paths. Answers arrive. Barriers fall. Because everything that is true finds a way to happen. In the coming days, pay attention to the signs. It could be a dream, an unexpected message, a feeling that returns forcefully. The angels will be communicating with you. And each sign will be a confirmation that what's to come is greater than anything you've experienced so far. You are made to experience a great love. A love that transforms. And this love is on its way. It comes with truth, with commitment, with purpose. And it will find you stronger, more secure, and more ready. So, keep your heart open. Keep being light. Keep being you. Because in the end, it's not about who left. It's about who, despite trying, could never stay away. Now the angels draw even closer and ask you to remember something very important. You have never been alone. Not in the moments of silence, nor on the days when it felt like the whole world had turned its back on you. They were there, watching, protecting, guiding. And now, more than ever, they are setting the stage for a reunion that will be not just between two bodies, but between two souls that recognized each other amid the chaos. The person you feel, even in silence, is about to take an unexpected step. The angels show that they are starting to have dreams about you, sudden memories of shared moments, or even feelings they can't quite explain. As if something inside them is saying, "Come back. There is still something to experience with her." And this calling does not come from the mind, but from the spirit. There is a synchronicity happening. A subtle dance between what you feel and what they are beginning to perceive. Time may have passed, people may have tried to fill the space, but none have managed to erase the imprint you left. Because this imprint isn't on the body, nor in the gestures. It is in the soul. And here comes a precious revelation. The angels show that at the moment you began to prioritize yourself, to take care of yourself, to love yourself, something inside that person awakened. It's as if your vibrational evolution has been calling out to them. As if your light is saying, "Now I am ready." And if you are too, come with truth. Dear soul, your internal transformation is creating a new path for love to reach you. And the angels ask that you trust in this. Don't force it, don't demand it, don't wait anxiously. Just hold on to the certainty that what is true never gets lost. It only matures. It only returns at the right moment, in the right way, with the right intensity. What if today you feel that mixture of nostalgia and hope in your chest? Know that this energy is being felt by her too. The angels reveal that soon you may have proof of this. An unexpected message. An unforeseen reunion. A clear sign that she has never been able to completely move on. In that moment, you will have a choice to make. Not about whether or not to accept this person back, but about how to navigate this new cycle. Because the angels make it clear, it won't be like before. It will be better. It will be more conscious, more mature, more spiritual. But for that, you need to keep being a light. This is your mission now. Illuminate your path so that when this love arrives again, it finds you whole. It finds you complete. It finds you at peace. And before we wrap this up, I want you to declare something else with all your strength, with all your faith. I allow myself to be loved deeply, truly, and fully present. This is your energetic release. The key to unlock everything that is already ready to manifest. Because when you allow yourself, the universe moves. The angels draw closer. And love finds its way home. Now, if this message touched your soul in some way, if it made your heart vibrate differently, if it brought you peace or even tears to your eyes, share this feeling with the universe. Say it out loud, "I receive." And keep your eyes open for what's coming next. Because the next chapter has already begun. And it will be written with love.